Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm going to be playing with another palette, part of the Saga of Freya collection from Odin's Eye. I'm really excited. The collection is launching in just a few days. I'll have the details about the launch down in my description box. I'm so pumped and I'm so excited to continue playing with it. In my last video with this collection, I did play with the main palette, the Freya Saga palette. It's the one with the 18 shades. It opens up like 2 pages of a book. It's super cute. So my video with that is already up, including swatches with that palette. So go check out that video if you want to see that one in action. In this video, I'll be playing with the Amber Tears palette, Chapter 1, Tears of Freya. It's super beautiful. I love the 9 shades in here. It's just super springy, summery. I love peach, red, purples together. It's such a good combo. I'm really excited about this one. I love that bluish duochrome. This one gets me excited. And then coming soon, probably within the next couple days, I will have the Cat's Breath palette video up where it looks like this. Super pretty, lots of bluey tones, super fun. I will be doing a comparison with the Electro Turquoise from Kaleidos as well, so just stay tuned. But in this video, we are going to be focusing on this palette and I'm very excited. Odin's Eye did send me this collection in PR, but this video is not sponsored. The last video was not sponsored. I have worked with them in the past, but these videos so far have not been sponsored. I do also have an affiliate code with Odin's Eye. It is BeautBean in all caps. It will save you 10%. I do make a small commission if you use it, and I appreciate it very much if you do, but no pressure. All right, so before we hop into it, let me just give you my jewelry details. My necklace today is from Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code BeautBean for 10% off. My plugs are Love Kills Boutique. My earrings are from Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy, and then my rings today are from Ana Luisa. So yeah, with all that being said, let's just hop in, play with the palette. I will give you my thoughts on the palette at the end of the video. I do plan on doing an Instagram video with this, by the way, so stay tuned. I have lots of content coming, so yeah, let's just hop in and play with the shadows. Hi, hello. I'm so excited to dive into the Amber Tears palette. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to play with these pinky tones. I have a feeling I'm going to focus on just the top 6 today because they're screaming to me and I have to. And I also feel like I'm gonna do another half cut crease. I know I did one with the first palette in this collection, but I just have to because I have a vision and that's what I'm gonna do. So let's dive in. I'm gonna prime with the Smashbox Lid Primer in Light. I'm gonna blend it out and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. I hope you're doing well. Today is the 15th. I'm just getting this video filmed so I can work on editing it and get it up in like a day or two. And I'm gonna work on the other palette tomorrow and I'm just really excited. I just posted my first video with the collection today and I'm just so pumped to keep playing. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Red Coral. It's so pretty and I want that to be focused in this outer portion of my eye. And I did kind of clean off these brushes from the collection with the little brush spongy guy, so there isn't like a lot of excess product on here, so I'm just gonna use the brushes again because I also really need to wash my brushes. This is the FR3 from the collection. Just gonna dip right in and I'm gonna focus this. Wow. That's so cute. I'm gonna focus it just like this in the outer portion of my eye, and I do want to wing it out just a bit. I'm also gonna take some on the tip of that brush to smudge on the lower lash to connect it. Just like this. Kinda, sorta, something like that. Looks crazy, but we're off to a good start. Now I'm gonna take this light peachy shade right here, and I'm gonna take that on the fluffy brush, the FR1. And I'm gonna use that just very lightly, not too crazy, just to dust along the edges of this red. Look how soft and easy that blends out. Oh, I love it, I love it. Okay. Now I want to take the purple shade here and I'm going to take that on the smaller blending brush. Thank you.
Drink delivery.
In a wine glass, a bang in a wine glass or a champagne flute or whatever. Thank you.
That was cute.
I can't drink a whole bang by myself because it makes my anxiety go through the roof and my heart rate will not stop. So I have to split one with Zane. That's the Strawberry Delish flavor. So good. I think it's my favorite flavor from them ever. But yeah, I'm gonna take that purple shade on the FR2 brush. It is a smaller blending brush. And that is gonna get focused in the front portion of my crease as well as the front portion of my lower lash. That's so cute. I love like purple, pink, red, peach. I love that color combo. I think it's so pretty. and super springy, summery. It's so cute. Oh, look how pretty this is. I love this color combo. Just gonna kind of go back in with previous brushes just to make sure it's all flowing. Oh, I love that, that's exciting. Gonna pick up just a wee bit more just to dust along the front portion of my lower lash line, just to bring that purple down here as well. So far, I think the two smaller palettes are gonna be what excites me the most. I mentioned in my first video, but the Cat one that I haven't used yet, I think this one's gonna be my favorite, so I'm really excited to film with that one. And I am going to film comparison swatches with the Kaleidos Electro Turquoise with that palette because I've had a couple people ask me. Ooh, it's so cute. Okay, so for the cut crease, I have to do it with the Tears shade, that duochromy bluey purple swirly shade, and I wanna have it fade down into pink ice because it's gorgeous and I just have to. And then I'll probably do this shade up here for my inner corner highlight. I'm excited and I'm just ready to do it. So I am gonna use a different brush. This is an Alter Ego number 8, just because like I mentioned in my first impressions video with the first part of the collection, they don't really have a long flat brush like this, and I really just love that kind of a brush for cut creasey stuff, so that's what I'm doing. And I plopped a little bloop of my NYX Glitter Primer. And I am just going to smush this across my lid. And then I'm gonna tilt my head back so I have a flat surface, go right above my natural crease following the roundness of my eyeball. This is what suits my eye shape so that I can see everything when my eyes are straight open. And that is what I'm gonna do today. All right, taking Tears on that same sticky brush, that bluey purpley duochrome shade. And that is gonna be the top of this little cut. Oh, that's gonna be so magical and just soft looking. I peg this shade to be a little bit more of like a topper shade, so I'm just gonna like slowly build it up to get as intense as possible. Oh, that's already so just glistening and cute. I'm just stopping it right where this pink is building up in the outer corner. And I'm going to just add some more towards the front so that they can lay at a diagonal, because that's what I like to do with my multiple shimmers on my cut creases. That's so lovely and just soft. Okay, I'm gonna flip that brush over and grab the pink ice shade on the other side of the brush. Look how dimensional that is. Oh, this is such a cutesy, romantic-y palette. Oh, I love that. Underneath that first shadow, I think this is so pretty. And I'm just kind of tapping where the matte really starts to deepen, and then I'm just gonna go back and forth with both sides of the brush just to help those two shadows merge. Look how pretty that is. I love it. I'm just gonna lightly dust where the shimmer and mattes meet so that it's a nice soft transition out here. Oh, I think that's so pretty. I love that just conglomeration of colors. It's so cute. Okay, now I gotta take my inner corner highlight shade, this champagne-y one. Although I am tempted to just do that duochrome. Let's just do the duochrome, why not? Let's do that Tears shade again, that purpley blue. Really bring it out some more. Oh yeah, I'm glad I did that. It's just so cute, I can't take it. This particular shadow on top of a black base, like when I do my big black wings, this would be gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love this. It's just so soft and cute. That makes me really happy. Okay, I'm going to throw this look on the other eye, throw on my lashes, an eye pencil, and something on my lips, and I will be back when I'm complete. All right, here's my look complete. I think it's really pretty. It's just soft, romantic. I feel like a fairy. It's very cute. The eye pencil I threw in is Frosted Lilac from NYX. I just thought it would really go with those purpley tones, and I think it does. My lashes are from Alter Ego. They're the style Plush. I was just kind of feeling a dainty lash with this look. I don't know why. It could also be because my current big lashes that I'm using are downstairs in my bathroom and I don't feel like getting up to get them, so dainty lash it is. And then on my lips, I went with the shade Ring Pop from Sugar Pill because it matches my earrings and it also matches my bike shorts that you can't see. And I feel like it does still go with this look. It just kind of adds that bright element and I feel like it pulls out the pinky tones that are in the look. I love it. So this is the look. I hope you enjoy it. Let me zoom you out and I will give you my thoughts on the palette so far. All right, welcome back. How was the tutorial? How do you like my look? What do you think? I wanna hear all of your thoughts down below. So far, I'm really excited about this one as well. I do think I like this one more than the larger one, just because I vibe with the colors in here more, but I don't dislike the first one by any means. This one is just appealing to me a bit more, but I'm pretty sure the other one is gonna appeal to me the most. I can't wait to play with this one tomorrow. The mattes that I used all performed really well. I felt like everything blended pretty seamlessly and pretty easily, and that doesn't always happen with like dark darker, almost reddish tones. It's not a complete red, it has a little bit of pink in it, but sometimes those shades can be tricky, and same with purples, but these performed really nicely, very softly. I really liked it. I felt like they had really good pigmentation right off the bat, but they also built up really nicely and blended out great. And I used these two shimmers. I was gonna use that third one, but I just had to use that one in my inner corner again. I love how sparkly they are on the lids. Again, I mentioned this in my last video, but Oden's Eye does such a good job with making their shimmers so special and sparkly without them being glitter. I'm so glad there's no glitters in this collection. It makes me super happy. Their shimmer formula is just top notch, and I'm so excited to see it just expanded upon. I can't wait to keep playing with this one more. This really pretty antique gold is so lovely and grungy and delicious, and I can't wait to put that one on my eyes. So far I'm having a really good time with this. I think it's really pretty. I can see this one in particular appealing to a lot of people. I think the two small ones are gonna be the most popular. That's just my prediction, but I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this palette? Do you think you would pick this one up? Are you interested in one of the other ones? Are you interested in all three palettes? I wanna hear your thoughts down below. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave me a pink emoji, because I feel like I'm very pink today. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's ButeBean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.